Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And we got a video. We're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 7a in 2024 and begin its journey so you guys can see how this device will age. Now, this is one of those devices that I gotta say has been a very, very good experience for me. Everything from the fluidity of the software to, how comfortable it is to hold the phone, gaming, all of that is pretty awesome. Now, the Pixel 7a did not launch with open arms. I mean, a lot of people get excited for the A series devices because, again, you will see that Google brings you everything that you would experience with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro in a smaller form factor and a much more affordable price, minus the telephoto lens that you get in the 7 Pro. However, when this device launched, it launched $50 more than the previous model Pixel 6a, bringing a price tag of $499. So that left people's heads scratching a little bit as to why. I mean, the phone performs very well. The Tensor G2 chip handles everything that's thrown at it. Gaming is fun on the device. I don't experience any hiccups whatsoever. And even having a 90 hertz refresh panel does make playing Pokemon Go a little bit better. I will say that. I'll admit that. But the $499 price tag is still what had people kind of just scratching their heads about it. But then it came in the form of bringing us something new to the A series devices, which was asked for some time, and that is wireless charging. Other than bringing wireless charging to it, it still maintained the IP67 water and dust resistance. And so you pretty much know that your phone will be fine with a few splashes on it. I wouldn't take it into the beach water because that does break up the sealant that protects the internals from water damage. So don't be going scuba diving with this thing. One of the big cool things about Google Pixels that's, we all know them to be is photos. Photos are great when you snap them from the 64 megapixel camera on this device. However, I will say this, while some nitpick on the video, I think the videos have come a long way on Google Pixel devices, comparing it to something as old as the Pixel 2 XL. So with that, we're actually going to do some tests here, slow motion, and regular recording in 1080p 60 frames per second. Check it out. Alright, so this is recording in 1080p 60 frames. You guys just seen the slow-mo demo. So I'm gonna go take a ride. Drop my daughter off to school.
Hi.
Hi.
It's cold and raining and I don't like it.
Man, you're Hawaiian. What, are you afraid to get wet? No, you'll be alright. You're like a fish.
Is it Hawaiian?
Should I splash these students?
Yeah.
Get revenge for you? Here, I'm gonna pop up on the sidewalk slightly just so you're not stepping on that puddle.
Alright,
Love you too. Have a great day in school.
yeah, I'm gonna end up enjoying it because it's cold as hell.
Oh, you'll live. I'll see you after school. You got clips today?
No.
Okay. It's coming down. I usually wait for her to get through the gate of the school so I know she made it in. And even though it says no parking, I am going to park right here. So overall, I will say that this device is worth picking up in 2024, especially if you can get it at a good price, anywhere like, 350 to 300 bucks. Below 300 would be the sweet spot. But yeah, these are just my thoughts on the Pixel 7a. What are your guys' thoughts if you own one? Post it in the comments. If you're interested in the device, ask your questions in the comments. Thanks for checking it out. Like, subscribe, comment. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.